All right, everybody. Welcome to Lucky 7 MudMowers. We have a 1977 Dodge camper overhead replacement. As you see, I've been replacing a couple things. It doesn't look much. Looks like just two 2x4s, but there is a special cut that you have to try to figure out. This cut right here is actually a 30-degree angle. I had to cut that up, and we got the plywood for it. I'm gonna be placing that up there, and hopefully I could get this back together, at least the framing done today. We did get a whole bunch of stuff here. We got some this is what I've been using, some drywall screws. Hopefully that'll last another 10 to 15 years. We'll figure out. Got some silicone. Oh, my pipe tobacco. Of course, I'm going to need a lot more than this. I already used several tubes of it. That's what I have left. If I have to get more, I will. But yeah, it's coming along. I ended up buying some 2x2s. You're going to need those. I do have a pile of rough cut wood that I've been cutting to this length here for some of the framing. I've been also using some nail glue to join the wood together before I put it, screw it and stuff. So hopefully by the end of the day I should have at least the framing done. And it's kind of hard to keep everything straight. You have to use some shims to try to make it straight as possible for your metal framing. It has to be perfect. So trying my best. They're working with something from 1977. It's coming along. Just to let everybody know, it does look like it's a piece of junk, but it is really nice inside. If you've seen some of my earlier videos, it does run. It does have a nice chassis on it with 16.5 dualies in the back. The engine is a 440. It's really quiet. So hopefully I could get this all back together, and I'm going to take the windows out once I get the deck and reseal the windows. I got some sealant for that too. So give me a thumbs up. Appreciate. Hit that subscribe button. You'll be able to watch some more updates. I also do live videos too. We'll talk to you later. Have a good day.